Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix low FPS and texture pop-in issues in Meccha Chameleon. So if a game is lagging, textures load slowly or objects appear late, just follow along. First, open the game settings and check your graphics option. Next, lower settings like texture quality, shadow effects, and overall graphics quality. Reducing these settings can improve performance and make the game run smoother. After that, close unnecessary programs running in the background. Apps using your CPU, RAM, or GPU can affect game performances. Next, you need to make sure your graphics drivers are updated. Outdated drivers can cause FPS drops and visual loading problems. You should also check your storage space because low available storage can affect game performance. So that was how to fix low FPS and texture pop-up issue in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.